Hey guys, girls, he, she's, whoever's out there. We are in the month of June.
Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do it. But Jake here has this Jeep, and his buddy has that Jeep, and we've got Lucky 11 right here. Now, why did I put Lucky 11 on this license plate? Well, because I'm lucky, apparently, to other people, because of the stuff I have, things I do. But on that note, we're going to go Jeeping. We're not going to take this. We still got to put the damn axle on the front end, but we're going to take that Jeep. We're going to take this Jeep. We're going to take that Jeep, and we're going to go play. So stick around. We're going to go up the trail. We don't know how it looks. We think there's snow at the top. We're going to go find out. So stay tuned.
Wherever you're going.
You're going to follow?
I'm following you.
All right. Well, good to meet you. I'm Kurt.
Jake.
Jake. Safety first. Gotta put some sunscreen on so don't burn. Folks, so Jake here noticed the difference, and he's like, can we please air down?
Look, man, I just want a cush ride, okay? I want a Cadillac of a Jeep here.
Well, so anyways, the guy was saying that basically 3/4 of the way up to something springs, the road's washed out or something. So the road's completely washed out at some point.
That sounds like a invitation for a good time.
I agree. So we're gonna go check that out. Jake's gonna go first because, just kidding, I'll go first. I don't care who goes first, but Jake here may have to pull me out of something at one point. And if he does, it'll be a good time. So stay tuned, because we heard it gets, yeah, it's gonna be a good time. All right, we're helping Jake tear down his tires, and I looked back and I saw my beautiful wife in the Jeep. Woo! My kids just hanging out. Yeah. That's what it's all about, folks. Family time. All right, folks, I think we reached the end of the road here. Yep, that's the end of the road for us. So this is the little stream. Maybe we should bring the shovel up here and divert the water so that stop washing away this road. The less it washes away, the less work that they've got to do on it. So I don't know. Secretly, I want to do that. Be able to get, well, we could. I bet we could crawl through that. Just kidding, that's pretty wild. Oh, look! It's an ice bath.
That's what Brandon just said.
Holy cow. That's pretty cool. And then all this water is coming down here. And then it's going down there. And it's washing out the road. It's like one of those baseball ones. Nice. Well, we're gonna test the audio here on this. I think we're good on the snowball hit the speaker, but anyways, we're going to I think this is the end of the road anyways, but check out this view. I mean, the Jeeps brought us out here today, and we are gathered here today to throw snowballs and skip rocks and hike. Hey, you be careful, kids. Yeah, don't fall. Do you go all the way down?
Oh, yeah, I'm not going.
Okay, you be careful. Skipped rocks at the new lake. Man, this is cool. Cheater.
Oh, wait, you might be on.
Oh, it's still going down there. Oh, oh, it went past. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Like 6 inches. We just gotta create a canal that goes down.
Right, give me slip.
Oh!
Yes! Yes! Boom!
Amazing how easily amused we are.
Oh. That is pretty crazy, folks. Woo! Yeah. All right. I don't know if that's going to be the end of our adventure, or if we're going to go up another canyon. We'll go talk to some people and check it out. But we ran into Matt and his brother Paul. They were down in Moab. I still got a video I need to put together of his rig down there. So, anyways, but yeah, stay tuned. We're still going to get a little bit of footage, and we'll go play around, maybe, or this will be the end or something. I don't know. Jake might. Never mind. But we're going to.
You're good. You're good.
Now he done it. Now he done it. Oh, Jake. Oh, Jake. I'm gonna have to go teach him how to wheel. Just kidding. He's got it. He's got it. No, he doesn't. He's stuck. He's stuck as a truck. Oh. Hey, the trick is slow. That's why I was crawling through it.
I got like 2 feet when I was slow.
Yeah?
I got like 10 feet when I was fast.
Little farther, huh? Alright, well.
I had one thought cross my mind where I should go back and go up that way. But I was like, nah, that's boring.
That is boring. On top of a mountain. Oh yeah. Look at the jeeps. Look at the jeeps. Alrighty. What is up, folks? We are done. We're out of here. That's
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way